have UAVS. They had good earnings, people, good earnings, and they're up 7%. But let's see. I want to compare UAVS earnings with ONDS because these are both penny stock drones that I am a fan of, okay? So they've reported strong Q2, a significant turnaround. Of course it is. 5.78 million compared to a net loss of 9.24 million Q2 last year. That, I think, is excellent. Revenue increased 23% to 4.2, driven by 92% surge in drone sales. Come on, people, come on. Expanded to 55% from 45%. So, while operating loss decreased 56%. Strengthens cash position to 5.5 million, which you could say might not be too much, really, because they are going to need to do things. Improved significantly. Drone sales surged, but their operating expenses increased. Discontinuation of SaaS. Oh, that's like a sales where they sensor sales experience seasonal decline. Well, seasonal decline sounds normal. I didn't know there was a seasonal thing for those, but whatever. I think this. I'm liking UAVS. I like the sales surging. I think that's excellent. Operationally unprofitable. The rapid improvement in financial metrics suggests the company could reach operating break-even in the near term if current trends continue. Why wouldn't they? Everybody's obsessed with drones. Everybody. And then if we look here, and this one is going to be... Then we had ONDS. Now look at, that's our crazy ONDS rise, people. I don't even know this, but ONDS has a Mistral partnership. And then I had put the old ONDS, because ONDS just had their earnings as well. ONDS is, oh man, 6.7, a 550% year-over-year increase. Well, no wonder ONDS shot so much as opposed to UAVS, because, man, oh man, those are some earnings ONDS had there. Dude. 53% margin, okay, but 22 million backlog. See, UAVS didn't have. And UAVS has the Mistral contract or partnership, but UAVS has the Blue certification that they could sell to the military. See, significant growth, particularly with the Defense Department. That's what it's saying about ON. See, that's what shot UAVS when they got that blue clearance. See, ONS doesn't have that, but they have been making these sales. They're the first FAA certified small UAS automated aerial security data capture, and it achieved this BVLOS operations, the beyond visual line of sight. And obviously they have the Optimus of a major defense customer and an initial purchase order for his Iron Drone. But that doesn't mean they have that direct one. Well, Design Military IRS. The company's strategic partner with Mistral. I don't have that. Maybe it doesn't matter, I guess. It's akin to a Blue UAS. However, not mention of this blue clearance. See, they don't have this Blue UAS, but they're actively engaged in the green one, which is the pathway to blue. So either way, ONDS has some, when they are in this will be a catalyst for them, because it was a catalyst for UAVS. So I do have to say, overall, ONDS is looking to be the stronger, from these earnings at least, and the back order. ONDS is looking to be the stronger one. But UAVS, I think they are a nice player too, and as you can see, they're fucking shit there. Damn it, UAVS. I should have sold it out of the other one. The earnings are good. They're making money, but they'll be the slower road, I would say, over ONS, definitely.